Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Gingy?
What are you drawing?
Well, if my calculations are correct, we are going to win Halloween! It could work! Could work!
Oh, I can't feel my legs. Oh, how much longer?
There, Tin Man. You'll be fit as an apple strudel in the morning.
Little nose.
Needle nose.
Great. How's that feel, Gingy?
A little itchy. Could be worse.
Good. I need that thing. The grabber thing, quick.
Und grabber? Thing.
Thank you. Okay, Gingy, hold still.
I can't move.
Okay, what do you feel? What are you feeling? Anything?
Boop, bop, bop. I see a light.
Dang it, we're losing him. Quick, give me the drill.
The drill.
What's happening?
Doctor, I think now's a good time for the pumpkin.
Pumpkin?
Gingy, old buddy, hang in there, all right?
Sir, where is Dr. Greenberger going?
Don't you mind her, okay? Just stay with me, okay? Stay here. Remember that song we used to sing together?
Oh, Mr. Roboto?
Oh, no, Gingy. The one from Space Odyssey. Daisy. You remember that song, right? Don't you?
Daisy.
Oh, no, Gingy, it's okay. Just never mind. Keep singing the song. Good. You're good.
I'm crazy over you, poor pumpkin.
It's not gonna work. You're gonna be all right, Gingy. You're gonna be okay.
I don't feel okay.
Why don't we get those drinks?
Your cup, sir.
You know, fusing Gingy with a pumpkin was a terrible idea.
Terrible.
However, on the bright side, mixing Venetian Ginger Ale with WhistlePig Piggyback Rye is an unqualified success.
Prost.
Cheers.
Happy Halloween! Beep, boop, beep. I'm a pumpkin bot.
WhistlePig Piggyback Rye and Venetian Ginger Ale make the perfect spooky combination for your haunted Halloween. Be sure to visit VenetianGingerAle.com to order your Venetian today.